Hey everyone, it's Rock and Wheel Outdoors. We are here at another special, awesome place. Got a view of the little lake here, little tank lake. Got a nice spot to cook some dinner tonight. Here on a Saturday. Can't get a better place like this than ever. So let's get set up, get a drink out, and let's relax. All right, we'll see you here in a little bit. Is this more relaxing than ever? Look at the view. It just rained earlier before I got here. Looks like it might rain a little bit more, but now it's nice and cool over here by the trees in the shade. Man, what a wonderful place. Here's Sadie. Alright, let's get unpacked. Sit down, relax, have a beer. I brought me a new one. Haven't tried yet. What the heck? Place I get to stay tonight. What a beautiful place. Another spot. Nice beautiful day. It just rained a little earlier, so it was cooler, but now it feels like it's gonna warm up, but we might get some more rain. But man, and then I'm gonna have me one of these while I'm waiting to chill out. Arizona hard green tea, ginseng and honey. All right, something new to try out. And yes, I brought Sadie with me. All right, see y'all a little bit. Hey y'all, hey, I got Sadie this pad. It's a cooling pad. Hopefully it'll keep her cool. Got me a couple pillows. It's supposed to keep you cool also. Got a blanket. That's also supposed to keep me cool. You know, these hot summers are coming. I want to be somewhat prepared. I still want to camp, even though it's getting hot. I still want to enjoy it one way or another, even if I have to find shade to do it. But this is what I want. And here I go again, moving my hands around. But I got us set up. It's nice to have less stuff to bring in all the time. We got a couple fans. We got that. We got this little like little swamp cooler like. Put cold water or ice, and I got some cold ice, those ice pack deals I put in here. It does pretty good. I think we're going to be cool, kind of cool tonight anyways. We've already had one rain. It's already cooled off a lot compared to earlier today. So what I'm going to cook for dinner is beef and broccoli with whole wheat rice, grainy rice. Still trying to keep myself healthy. Try to, even though I'm drinking beer. And then I went to HB today and got a few things, and when I did, I ended up finding I wanted something different to drink, and I found that that tea, that green tea that has that ginseng in it. So I got that, but it has has that beer in it. It's like 5%. It says on there. But I'll show you that. We'll have a drink together. Cheers to another nice, beautiful place, another spot that I found. I get to enjoy it, and every day, more and more, I just want to go camping more and more. So come join me, come hang out, let's relax, and get our cooking going on. Because we're in a nice little shade, and we're gonna have fun. And Sadie is she seems pretty happy now, nice and cool. Got her nails trimmed today. She's really happy. But we'll get back to you here in a little bit. I'm gonna pull everything out and get something to drink and show you and relax for a minute, and then we'll get cooking. All right, we'll be right back. Here it is, y'all. It's the Arizona hard green tea, ginseng, and honey. It's just like the regular tea, but it's had beer in it, I guess, a little bit of beer, spiked it. It says contains 5% alcohol, so why not get some energy and relax buzz, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. All right. Go, Sadie. Here, water. Good girl. I'm waiting to chill out. Hey, y'all. Just want to say cheers. Let's relax. Wow. 5%. I think it's more than 5%. It's definitely strong. Just like the green tea, just like it. Just a little stronger on the ginseng is like. But man, I'm gonna feel really relaxed later on. All right, y'all enjoy. I had to put some of this seasoning in because I forgot the actual season. It was a beef and broccoli. Oops. go. Beef and broccoli with brown rice. It's not a lot, but it's for me. I thought my nephew was gonna come out, but he didn't, so I made a little bit more, but I got it for tomorrow. And then this is what I'm gonna eat. So beef and broccoli, rice, and half a slice of avocados. And to wash it down, on Star Light. Pillows I got. Got some pillows and a cool mat for her. She's been, and I guess she loves it because she laid right on top of it all afternoon until she got onto the blankets, and the blankets are cool too, so she's spread out on that thing. I tried to get her inside that video, but I don't know if y'all saw her. But she's been just totally relaxing. But it's really nice. I'm glad I'm able to come here. These spots that I've been finding and people letting me come and checking them out. I want to let those people know thank you. I appreciate it. I can't wait to stay some more areas. And then hopefully next week, I'm hoping, since it's a 3-day weekend, I think it is, I'm going to try to go to a state park. I haven't been there for a couple of months, but at least a month. But I'll quit talking. You all can enjoy it. I got to get a video of the sun going down. Hopefully I can get up early in the morning and see if the sun comes up. Alright, they have a little kayak dock kind of over here pretty close to camp, so I just don't have any room to fish where I'm at. I don't know what this area looks like. Oh man, it looks like a mess. And it's a bummer, man, that they've let this lake grow up all along the shore. It's just hard to get to anywhere decent without a boat or kayak. Guess I gotta get me a kayak. That last video, she got into a little bit of trouble with eating some medicine. We had to take her to the little dog ER. We thought we were out of the blue the next day, but then the day after that, she threw up all day long, so we took her back to the vet, and they did some x-rays, they gave her some more medicine, and some different type of food, some soft food. And she's been on that for about 4 days now, and she's doing better. So, that's good news. Cheers, y'all. Finally on the mend, but it was a pretty good scare, and it was a pretty good hit out of the pocketbook doing 2 emergency room visits for a dog and x-rays, so that's always fun, but she's worth it. But just a quick update, she's doing much better now. Last 2 days she hasn't thrown up at all, she's acting herself, so that's good news. So she will be joining us at the end of this month for a 5-day little RV family camping trip that we're going to do with another real nice family. At the end of this month, we got a couple of beautiful spots picked out right on the edge of the lake with a little Hey everyone. Hey, alright, getting late now. The bugs they were not bothering me for a while. All of a sudden the bugs coming out. Maybe because it's all my lights here. But it's time to go in and chill out, watch a movie. I got a couple snacks in there. Sadie looks like she's ready for me to go to bed. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for everything. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. If you're not, you're the normal people that watch me, thank you. This evening, it was a nice evening. Got to relax and just chill big time. So peaceful here. You can hear all the crickets, and I actually got to see lightning bugs finally. I haven't seen those in such a long time. Ever since when I was a little kid, I got to see them. You know how you grab them and put them in a jar, poke the holes so they breathe, just so you have a lantern. Yeah, I couldn't believe I saw them out here. It's really amazing. Minus all the bugs are driving me crazy right now because I got my light on. I have red lights on and they don't bother it. It's when I turn on the bright lights. But if I can show you, I'll turn off that light and I'll show you what I got so far. Is that my string lights. I got one of my lanterns, and then the string lights again with my red lights inside the cab, the camper shell. And then I have a little lantern light over there by my front doors, so I could, if I needed something to drink, I can get to my truck and see, because the grass is kind of high here, so might be able to keep myself safe. But I brought something to keep me safe out here anyway. So anyways, I'll see y'all in the morning, and then thank you. You all have a good evening, and relax. That's all I gotta say. Or I'll say all the time. But all these bugs, whew, they're driving me crazy. So Sadie's almost crashed out. We're gonna lay down, we're gonna watch a movie and chill, and I'll see y'all in the morning because we're gonna make some coffee. Today has been the most relaxing time I needed from work all week, and mainly on a Thursday. Thursday was a crazy day for me, so really crazy. So y'all, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night, and sleep tight. Here we go. Good morning. Nice, beautiful, nice and cool. Man, it's really cool. I didn't even have to. All I had to do is turn off the fans. It's crazy, but this morning, right through here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Right through here. I don't know if they're doing an exercise course, but two armadillos ran right by here. Yeah, right through here. Went through the grass, ran here, ran here, and went straight to there. I didn't think anything of it. Then a few minutes later, when I got the camera out, got me set up, they ran by again. Same ones. They're doing the same section of the line, everything. So I'm hoping we can catch them again if they come back around. It was pretty cool being this close to them and them just minding their own business. We ran right by. My camping buddy right here. Camping buddy. She did good last night. Whoa, sucker got hot. Everyone, we're packed up, ready to go. Just want to say thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, definitely thank you. Come again. If you're not, I appreciate you staying with us, hanging out with us. This is really nice to share the view. But anyways, with my hands to you, thank you. See you soon, and camp on.